One of my good friends recently asked me if I knew any products that he could start a dropshipping business around. He's starting an e-com store and he wants to start it out with dropshipping. So in today's video, I'm going to be speed running some TikTok live product research here with the tool that I love to use called Minia. I think this is one of the best ways to find trending products out there that you could start selling as well. And it's also great education because then you can see what kind of TikToks are actually popping off. So let's get right into it. The first one we're going to watch is this one right here.
Thanks to Plug, I was able to get this new iPhone for less than full price. Their app lists tons of certified pre-owned devices
Thanks to
all
Plug.
quality checked and packaged by their in-house team, so I know I'm getting a top-of-the-line phone for the absolute best deal.
Okay, so this is not really a normal store. This is a Shopify store though, but it's more of a tech reselling store. Interesting. I've never seen something like this. Wait, this is really interesting. I've never seen something like this and it's popping off. I'll probably review this closely in a different video, but this is a really good ad. Do you see what they're doing here? They're talking about the benefits. They're talking about some of the features of their service, but let's proceed here. Innovative earplugs for swimmers. Very, very quick ad. Okay, so this is a very interesting product. It's just a product that allows you to swim without getting your ears plugged. That's actually pretty smart, especially for people that are avid swimmers. This ad right here is so simple, right? But it has almost 1 million views. Pretty awesome.
We decided not to partner with Apple. Even though it'd be an incredible experience, they would make our product too expensive for everyone.
Whoa, that's such a good ad. Oh my God. So this is actually a solid product. I've seen this before. This is a popular dropshipping product. And this brand obviously just took it to the next level, you can see. But really what's genius about this is the marketing. So somebody asked them a question about how they should partner with Apple. Maybe it was a random comment. Maybe it was manufactured to look like it was a random comment. And then they made a TikTok about it. Very smart. Really good stuff right here. This has 4 million views. Okay, so I actually have to get rid of the music here. But as you see, this is just a fairy choker. Very interesting product. Clearly, it's getting a ton of demand. Oh my gosh. So look at these prices. That's insane. And these are sold. So this isn't quite, you know, a drop shipping store, but it's still very interesting. She's selling these handmade bags. That's incredible. These designs are so cool. So very original designs, very cool stuff. That's the thing, guys. Sometimes you don't really need to sell the most innovative product in the world. You just have to show people something new that they haven't really seen before. It could be a variation of a product like a handbag. Damn, we actually saw this one last time and now it has 6 million views. This is a pretty good product right here. It's just like a eyebrow trimming kit, kind of like a grooming kit. Just thins them out, etc. So this is still a great product, and as you can see, it's basically just a beauty store. They're using the Sense theme on Shopify, which is a great Shopify theme. You guys should definitely try it out. It's free, which is pretty crazy.
Do you want one?
I guess I don't really know what it does, but this has 1 million views. Not really sure what that does, but apparently this is just a general store. Wow, okay. So as you can see, this person is just mass testing products on just a general store, which is not a bad idea, honestly, if you just want to keep things lean. I'm not really sure what this product does, but clearly it's popping off. Wow, this has 30 million views. Let's see. Ouch. Okay, yeah, well, it's just a little gun. So I guess just a simple piercing gun can blow up on TikTok. So yeah, I mean, I would have never known that, but they're selling them for very cheap. A lot of these products are super affordable, and that's probably how they're making it work on TikTok. Now, of course, there's probably going to be some shipping costs, but very interesting stuff. A lot of general stores on TikTok nowadays. You can tell a lot of people are starting to spam test products for Q4. So a fast fashion pad versus the pad that they're selling. So this is for women and their menstrual cycles. And I guess it's supposed to absorb 20 tampons worth of blood. That's a lot. Let's see what the product is. So Nix.com. I've never seen this before. Whoa, so really interesting brand. This isn't drop shipping, but there's still a lot of inspiration that you could get from something like this. Wow, they're driving a lot of traffic. Okay, so we'll keep that one in the notes for a future video.
How to wash your hands with the Peach Pig jelly soaps. I started making jelly soaps for kids, and then I found that adults are the ones buying it for themselves. And hey, I'm here for it.
Wait, that's pretty cool.
Give your pig a pet. Give your pig a name. My toddler named him George. Spank his butt. Do whatever you gotta do. Rinse him off. And then just wash your hands.
This is a good idea for kids, especially after, the pandemic. People are very much interested in washing their hands. This makes it fun. As you can see here again, this is the Sense theme on Shopify, a free theme, by the way. The logo is really bad. This store could definitely use some help, but wow, there's the jelly soap. So this is all like handmade stuff, I guess. And this lady's probably doing really, really well. This has 4 million views. Whoa. So it's just a sponge. Man, sometimes some of the most boring products just pop off. I'm not really sure why, but these magic sponges, I guess, are getting a lot of hype on TikTok. This is a pretty clean landing page, extremely simple as you see. It looks like another general store. They don't really give you any options here to do anything else. So you can clearly see that the most important thing is the marketing.
Give me a new Strata pen quick because my teacher stole mine. We're giving everyone a free Strata pen if their comment has 0 likes in 30 minutes. But they must like, share and follow.
That was a pretty good ad. 5 million views for this Strato pen. So it's just a pen. It's nothing too crazy here, but it's just a lot of fun for people. It's like a good fidget toy. This is perfect for TikTok. It's popping off. People are really loving this. Whoa, this is a very quick ad, but it has 4 million views. It just has a scary, spooky music that I can't really share, but very interesting product. I mean, I've never seen this before, but this store is selling it. Again, this is the Sense theme on Shopify, a free theme. It's crazy how many TikTok stores are using this theme. This seems to be another general store, guys. So wow, this is a common trend. Okay, so this has almost 1 million views, and it's just this pen that you can also turn into one of those geometric shape thingies. I forgot what they're called. Oh, and it also has a ruler. Okay, so it's just like a multi-purpose pen, and it's going off. Another general store, guys. This is so crazy. People are testing so many products right now. This is it right here. Looks pretty good. Well, there you have it, guys. I guess the moral of this story is start testing products on TikTok because a lot of people are doing it and a lot of people are finding a lot of success right now, which means people are buying this stuff. So just get started. Remember, don't overthink too much and just take action. And once you legitimize your brand enough to where you're doing 30, 40, 50K a month, you can hit your boy up at a Chemi and we'll help you scale it further. But that's about it. See you guys in the next video. Peace.